Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your HISENSE TV for the first time. So first, what you guys want to do is select your language. After that, we need to select our location. Here we need to find our country, then click OK. And here, if you're connected to any satellites or anything, then you can automatically scan the channels, or you can skip it. In my decision, I need to skip it because I'm not connected to anything. And here we need to connect to the internet, so let me choose my network. And now all we gotta do is we need to enter the password, so I'll see you guys once I enter mine. After that, simply click connect and now click OK right here. As you guys can see, we need to agree to the data sharing, privacy and EULA. It's basically what we need to do to get an access to our TV. We can also click the skip, and here we can basically decline the smart features, so I do not recommend that. Just click OK and go next. And here you guys can sign into your VIDAA account. I don't have one, so we can create it right here, but it's not that important right now, so let's click skip. And now here we can name our TV, so we can choose the, let's say, guest room TV, or we can enter the custom name just like that, as you guys can see. And now let's go over and click this little arrow here. As you guys can see, we have the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, so it's very cool. And now it will welcome us to VIDAA, and the setup is done. So we can watch YouTube now, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.